Today I'm gonna teach you exercise 4.2 of quadratic equation, question number 16. Solve 4 raised to power x minus 3 into 2 raised to power x plus 3 plus 120 equal to 0. Now how to solve this equation? First of all, we will break this power. How to break? For example, if we have a into a square into a3 into a4. If the base is same, power will be added. For example, we will write base one time and powers will be added. It means 2 raised to power x plus 3 means 2 raised to power x multiply 2 raised to power 3. So these two terms are reversible. If 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 3, what we will write? Base is same, powers will be added, x plus 3. So we will write this term in the form of this term. So, and 4 raised to power x. What is the square? 4 is the square of 2. 2 raised to power 2 and x as it is. 2 raised to power 2 and x as it is. So we can write 4x in the form of 2 raised to power 2 into x, 2x. So 4 raised to power x minus 3 dot 2 raised to power x plus 3 plus 128 equal to 0. 4, but how can we write 2 raised to power 2x? 4 is the square of 2. If we multiply 2 by 2 times, 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 1 plus 1, so 2 into 2 becomes 4. So 4 is the square of 2 and x as it is minus 3 dot 2 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power x and dot 2 raised to power 3. Multiply we can write in the form of dot also. Plus 128 equal to 0. Now if we 2 raised to power x and we put square outside, minus 3 dot 2 raised to power 3 means if 2 multiply 2, 3 means 2 raised to power 3 means 2, 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 2 raised to power 3 means 8 into 2 raised to power x plus 128 equal to 0. And 8 3s are 28. 2 raised to power whole square minus 8 3s are 24. 2 raised to power x plus 128 equal to 0. Now we can see that this term and this term is same, so we'll suppose let 2 raised to power x is equal to y. Why we suppose 2 raised to power x so that our equation become easier. 2 raised to power x is equal to y and y square minus 24. 2 raised to power x is equal to y, so we put y plus 128 equal to 0. Now what we will do to solve this equation, we will break the midterm by making factor. What we will do, we will take the coefficient of y square coefficient is 1 and simple constant, multiply 128 into 1 becomes 128. So we will make the factor of 128. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8. 12 नहीं no 12 13 8 1s are 8 8 9 10 11 12 हाँ 8 8 1s are 8 9 10 how many is left we will use 8 8 1s are 8 how many left 8 9 10 11 12 4 8 6 are 48 16 120 minus 127 62 12 4 8 28 16 minus 8 8 and if we add 16 plus 8 24 so factors are 16 and 24 y square minus 16y minus 8y plus 128 equal to 0 if we add 16 and 8 what we will get 24 minus minus plus so now we'll take common from these two terms and these two terms y is taken from these two terms and y is left minus y is common 16 is left now we'll take minus 8 is common from these two terms why take minus common because next here negative sign so we'll take minus common what is left minus minus plus y minus plus minus 8 16s are 28 so y minus 16 and y minus 8 equal to 0 now first of all we will take y minus 16 equal to 0 next time we will take y minus 8 equal to 0 y is equal to minus 16 when taken the right side minus 16 become positive 16 similarly y minus 8 when taken the right side minus 8 becomes positive 8 now here we can see that this is 2x is equal to y 2 raised to power x is equal to y it means we put y is equal to 2 raised to power x so y we will write instead of y 2 raised to power x is equal to 16 similarly 2 raised to power x instead of y what we will write 2 raised to power x is equal to x so we want to find the base same so 16 how many times 16 will come if 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 1 2 3 4 it means 2 raised to power 4 becomes 16 if the base is same it means powers are also same so x is equal to 4 similarly 2 raised to power x is equal to 8 how does 8 comes 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 1 2 3 2 raised to power 3 2 raised to power 3 if the base why we write 2 raised to power 3 because we want to find base same and 4 is 8 is also come in the table of 4 but we take why we take table of 2 because here base is 2 so we want the base same so we'll take the table of 2 if the base is same then power become same so we will want to find the value of x is equal to 3 so our solution set become 4 and 3 this is our required solution